Amon manok didi, marasa, crunchy ngan unang-una affordable it price para sa mga consumer namon. Matilawan nga ni niyo takon manok. Sigurado ako babalik-balik ko ni niyo.
Itera nga rin manok, marasa akong gimbalik-balikan pagpalit.
Para sa tera manok nga di, ganit sus.
An ira manok, in marasa, makarob-karob ngan affordable.
Tayong mga Pinoy, first love na ata natin ang pagkain ng pritong manok. At dahil dyan, meron ako na-discover sa isang kanto dito sa Burawin, Leyte na nagbebenta ng sarap to the bones na crispy and juicy fried chicken. Ito ang J-Crunch Snack Hub na makikita sa District 8 sa Ramon Street, Burawin, Leyte at open sila from 5 AM to 8 PM.
Ay mga kaki-crunch, ako ngayon ni Romnick Riley, owner hini na Amon store which is the K-Crunch Snack Hub. Actually may dako i-offer ayo tamon manok na mga affordable it presyo from 10 to 35 on price. May din namon tag G's, may tag 30, tapos may tag 35 namon na price doon. And then na-offer gihapon kami namon menu ibaluat na kuan which is silog and snacks from fries, may dagyapon shumai, and then mga drinks namon, iced coffee, frappe, and then coffee blended na mga drinks. And then aside lahat iton, may dalat namon didi iba pa nga menu. Mga other menu mga sura. Okay, may dalat namon di chicken curry, adobo, lumpia, and then mga utan luwat. Masyado lang ka mga di. Adi lang kami natubangan ni atong. Damo nga salamat ay matanan.
By the way, thank you to my sponsors, 4M's Printing Shop and Enterprises. They offered services like document printing, Xerox, scan, laminations, Rush ID, and many more. You can contact them on their Facebook page that shows in your screen. Our Vic Ticketing is a travel solutions provider and our prices are lower if you ask in advance, and we give less of 20% discount to senior citizens. We offer domestic and international booking flights, vacations tour package, and other services. We can offer details as quickly as possible. Please provide us with the following information for your inquiries: date of departure and arrival, destinations from and to, number of passengers, if there's an infant, children, seniors with indications of birth date. You can contact us on our number and Facebook page that shows in your screen. I hope you love this vlog, and that's it for today's video. Follow for more.